So let's talk about the Poco F5, which has recently been launched by the Xiaomi company. So this phone is having 6.67 inches of screen with an AMOLED display. 120Hz of refresh rate is present in the phone. You are getting 7 Plus Gen in the phone, which is one of the amazing processor, as the Antutu scores are off the chart because it is going above 9 lakh. I mean, it's really good thing about the phone is that the processor is very good at processing the images as well as doing the hardcore stuff on the phone. So yeah, it's exceeding the expectation, the 30,000 rupees which comes for the processing part. So yeah, it's doing way better than I have expected. So 7 Plus Gen 2 is one of the amazing processor that is used for hardcore usage. I mean, I like it processor. And moving on, it is getting Android 13 in the phone, which is again latest, you can say, Android version by Google. And after that, in the phone you are getting the cameras. Rear facing camera is of 64 megapixel OIS camera, which is again optical image stabilization is presented in the phone, which is good thing. And after that, you are getting 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera plus 5 megapixel of micro camera. That's all about the rear facing camera. You are getting 4K at the rear side. On the front side, you are getting 16 megapixel of camera. You are getting 1080p on the front side. And about the battery part, you are getting 5000 mAh of battery, 67 watt of fast charge. And that's all about the specification part. So I mean, the phone is really interesting. Under 30,000 rupees, I like this phone because under 30,000 rupees, it is presenting total craziness in the phone. Because the camera side, you are getting OIS camera, 64 megapixel of camera, which is a stronghold for the camera in the phone, which is an amazing thing because you're getting the stabilization with the video as well as photo. Yeah, so the stabilization will be provided in the phone with OIS, which is amazing thing about this phone. And after that, you're getting the 4K recording, which is a little down point. And again, one thing I felt about it is that you are getting 67 watt of fast charging support, which should be about 80 watt or 120 watt. It will be a bit better. But anyways, moving on, you are getting 7 Plus Gen 1, which is having Antutu score of 9,49,812, which is an amazing Antutu score, which means you can play the games excessively on this phone, as well as you can use it for the 4K video editing if you want to, and you can record the 4K videos on it. Because this processor is one of the processors that you need to take the juice out of it, because why you are buying it if you don't want to take the juice out of the phone? I mean, use it excessively hardcorely. This is one of the processor that is a high-end processor. So yeah, one thing I like is that 7 Plus Gen 1 in this phone is amazing. But the thing is, this is Poco. So last time what happened with the Poco X3 version is, because of the motherboard, the things went sideways and stuff happened. So this time I am not sure about this phone. If motherboard is not correct, then things again can go sideways. That's why I'm thinking, if you need to buy this phone, make sure you wait for it, because some things might went sideways. It might happen. I'm not confirm about it, but it might happen, as it happened in the previous versions also. And you are getting 7 Plus Gen under 30,000 rupees, which is exciting thing about it. But Poco will do price cutting in some of the stuff. So if they have done it in motherboard, then yeah, there will be again, yeah, you got my point. So wait for it. Wait till the actual reviews, till the performance actually comes out. Wait till then. But on paper, everything looks great. And if you still want to buy it, if you think that's not the case, then yeah, be sure to go for it. But except that, it's okay under 30,000 rupees, or go for iQOO Neo 7. I have made a review on it. You can watch that video also. Or yeah, you can add more 5,000 more in the price, and you will be able to get the Vivo's new phone, which I have also made a video. I won't tell the phone, you need to watch that video. Yeah, so thanks guys, thanks for watching. This is my whole review of the Poco F5. Wait for the phone, don't buy it now, don't rush it, wait for it. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Just wait until the actual things come out and see if the phone is really good or not. Yeah, in Poco terms, I can say that things happen and things go sideways, so just wait for it. Yeah, that's what I want to say. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon because you will get the notification if you click it. So thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing.